Hey guys, I want to take a second and thank the sponsor of this video, GAC Automotive. Their family's been doing automotive repairs for over 76 years. I'll put a link in the description below to their website so you can check them out. Hey, what's going on guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm bringing you a quick tip. I had a customer come in here, turn his air conditioner on for the first time, said it's not blowing as strong as it was. So let me show you what to look for. 9 out of 10 times, this is going to be a problem. That is your cabin air filter right there. The customer has never changed it. Look at how dirty it is. Look at all the debris. If that filter is clogged up, you will not get the correct amount of flow out through the vents. I pulled it out, replaced it with a new one, and their vents are blowing twice as hard as they were. Also, with it clogged like that, you are breathing all that dust, dirt, and debris. Make sure you change that cabin air filter once a year. All right guys, that's it for this video. Catch you later.